AI agents are going to be a reality, and people will be using them in 2025, by the end of 2025. And here we are.
We want to empower all the people who use our products to basically create agents for themselves.
AI agents are quietly reshaping the world around us, and fast. Did you know some companies have slashed customer response times from minutes to mere seconds using AI? Or that industries are saving millions by automating complex tasks like logistics and fraud detection? In this video, we're breaking down 9 real-world applications of AI agents that are already revolutionizing industries. But that's not all. Stick around, because we'll also explore how AI is tackling challenges in education, the environment, and even personalized career development. By the end, you'll see why AI agents aren't just a trend. They're the future. Let's dive in and uncover how AI is changing everything. Number 9, revolutionizing customer support. Customer support has always been plagued with delays and inefficiencies. Think about the last time you called a help desk and had to wait while a representative sifted through endless files to solve your problem. Now imagine that process taking mere seconds. That's what AI agents are doing for companies like Baca Systems. Before adopting AI, Baca Systems, a robotics manufacturing company, needed 5 to 7 minutes just to provide a meaningful response to customer queries. Today, AI-powered agents allow them to respond in as little as 5 to 10 seconds. These agents don't replace the humans. They supercharge their productivity by instantly analyzing past cases, technical documents, and customer history. This lets the human agents focus on troubleshooting rather than wasting time searching for information. The result? Faster resolutions and happier customers. But it doesn't stop there. AI agents also help identify recurring issues, like a circuit breaker tripping repeatedly. By flagging these patterns early, they enable preventative maintenance, saving companies time and money while reducing frustration for end users. Faster, smarter, and more proactive, AI agents are making traditional customer support a thing of the past. Number 8, driving sales and marketing. Efficiency managing leads is no easy task, especially for small teams with limited resources. Imagine having hundreds, even thousands of potential leads sitting in your database, untouched because there's no time to follow up. That's where AI steps in as the ultimate sales assistant. At Baca Systems, their sales team consists of fewer than 10 people. Without AI, they simply couldn't handle the volume of leads. AI agents now act as virtual sales representatives, sending emails, engaging prospects in conversations, and even qualifying leads. Once a lead shows real potential, it's handed off to a human sales agent to close the deal. The benefit isn't just efficiency, it's cost savings. Hiring additional sales staff would cost tens of thousands of dollars annually, while an AI agent can handle much of the workload for a fraction of the cost. And this isn't just a one-off scenario. Across industries, AI is enabling businesses to scale their outreach, customize marketing efforts, and engage customers in ways that were previously impossible. This isn't replacing sales teams. It's giving them the tools to achieve more with less effort. Number 7, optimizing supply chain and logistics. When we think of supply chains, we often picture complexity. Shipments delayed by unforeseen circumstances, inventory running low at the worst possible moment, or warehouses struggling to keep up with demand. AI agents are rewriting that narrative by making supply chains smarter and more adaptable. Companies like DHL are already leveraging AI to predict disruptions and optimize logistics. AI agents analyze vast data sets in real time, from weather patterns to geopolitical events, ensuring shipments are rerouted before delays even occur. Warehouse management is also seeing a transformation, with AI agents tracking inventory levels, automating order fulfillment, and even suggesting better storage layouts to maximize efficiency. But it's not just the big players benefiting. Smaller businesses are using AI to streamline their supply chain operations, ensuring they remain competitive in an increasingly globalized market. The ability to predict, adapt, and optimize is changing logistics from a reactive process to a proactive one. The result? Faster deliveries, reduced costs, and a more resilient supply chain. Number 6, enhancing healthcare operations. The healthcare industry is under constant pressure to do more with less. Between administrative bottlenecks and increasing patient loads, the system often struggles to keep up. Enter AI agents stepping in to transform operations and improve outcomes for both patients and providers. Take Babylon Health, for example. This company uses AI agents to triage patient symptoms, providing initial assessments and guiding users to the appropriate care. These agents are available 24/7, ensuring patients can get help at any time, not just during clinic hours. On the administrative side, AI automates tedious tasks like scheduling, billing, and data entry, freeing up healthcare workers to focus on what matters most: patient care. Looking ahead, AI agents are expected to play a significant role in managing chronic conditions. Imagine a virtual assistant that reminds patients to take their medication, monitors symptoms in real time, and alerts doctors to potential complications before they become emergencies. These advancements don't just save time, they save lives. Number 5, boosting financial services and fraud detection. Fraud detection in financial services is like finding a needle in a haystack. With millions of transactions happening every second, even the most skilled human analysts can't catch every suspicious activity. But AI agents, they thrive on this level of complexity. At JP Morgan, AI agents are already analyzing legal documents and financial data to detect irregularities. These agents don't just flag potential fraud, they learn from each case, becoming more accurate over time. That means fewer false positives and a higher chance of catching real threats before they escalate. And it's not just about fraud. AI agents are transforming customer interactions in banking, acting as virtual advisors to provide personalized financial guidance. Imagine an AI agent that tracks your spending habits, offers budget suggestions, and even helps you plan for major life events like buying a home or starting a business. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on customer satisfaction is undeniable. Number 4, transforming education with personalized learning. Education systems have long struggled to accommodate the diverse learning styles of students. In traditional settings, a one-size-fits-all approach often leaves some students behind, while others excel. This is where AI agents are stepping in to revolutionize education, making it more personalized and effective. Take Duolingo, for instance. This popular language learning platform uses AI to tailor lessons based on user engagement and progress. If a student struggles with a particular grammar concept, the AI adapts, providing additional practice and guidance. Conversely, if a student is excelling, the AI can skip ahead, keeping them challenged and engaged. It's learning, but at a pace that's unique to each individual. Looking ahead, AI agents in classrooms could take personalization even further. Imagine virtual assistants that answer student queries in real time, grade assignments instantly, and provide actionable feedback. Teachers could focus on mentorship and creativity while leaving routine tasks to AI. The result? Students receive the attention they need, and educators can spend more time innovating their teaching methods. AI is bridging the gap between standardized education and individual needs, ensuring that every student has an equal opportunity to succeed. It's not just about making education smarter. It's about making it fairer and more accessible for everyone. Number 3, enhancing corporate training and productivity. Employee onboarding and training can be an overwhelming process for both employers and employees. It's time-intensive, resource-heavy, and often inconsistent. But AI agents are changing the game, transforming workplace training into a streamlined and highly effective experience. Walmart is a prime example of how AI is enhancing corporate training. The retail giant uses AI-driven simulations to train employees in real-world scenarios, from handling customer interactions to managing inventory. These simulations allow employees to learn by doing, without the risks associated with real-world mistakes. The result is faster onboarding and better prepared staff. The potential doesn't stop there. AI mentors could soon offer personalized career development plans for employees, analyzing their strengths, skills, and career goals to provide tailored advice. Imagine an AI that tracks your performance, identifies areas for improvement, and suggests training modules to help you grow. It's like having a personal career coach that never takes a day off. By automating repetitive tasks and optimizing training processes, AI is boosting workplace productivity across industries. Companies can focus on innovation while employees gain the skills they need to excel. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about creating a smarter, more capable workforce. Number 2, protecting the environment with AI agents. Environmental challenges like deforestation and climate change demand innovative solutions. Traditional methods of monitoring and conservation often fall short due to limited resources and delayed responses. AI agents are stepping up as powerful allies in protecting the planet. One standout example is Rainforest Connection, an organization using AI to combat illegal logging. By deploying devices equipped with AI, they can detect chainsaw sounds in real time, alerting authorities before irreversible damage occurs. This proactive approach has already saved vast swaths of endangered forests. Beyond conservation, AI agents are being developed to track carbon footprints and optimize energy usage in industries. Picture a factory using AI to monitor its energy consumption in real time, identifying inefficiencies and suggesting sustainable alternatives. It's not just good for the environment, it's good for business too. AI agents are becoming critical tools in our fight against environmental degradation. They allow for faster responses, smarter resource management, and scalable solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. In the race to save our planet, AI might just be the edge we need. Number 1, future-proofing businesses with predictive insights. Staying competitive in today's fast-paced world means anticipating changes before they happen. Businesses need to predict equipment failures, market trends, and customer demands to stay ahead. AI agents are proving invaluable in providing these predictive insights. Take General Electric, GE, as an example. They use AI agents to monitor industrial equipment, predicting failures before they occur. This proactive approach minimizes downtime, saves costs, and ensures smoother operations. For businesses, it's not just about avoiding problems, it's about staying one step ahead. Looking forward, AI agents could transform market analysis by identifying trends and providing actionable insights. Imagine being able to predict customer preferences months in advance, allowing businesses to launch products at just the right time. These predictive tools are the key to making data-driven decisions that drive growth. By providing clarity in an unpredictable world, AI agents are giving businesses a critical advantage. They don't just react to changes, they help companies thrive in the face of uncertainty. From transforming education to protecting the environment, AI agents are quietly revolutionizing the way we live and work. These use cases are just the beginning of what's possible. So what do you think is the most exciting application of AI agents? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.